LifeNet Health, recognized as the nation's oldest and largest nonprofit full-service tissue bank, has partnered with Salvin Dental on bone allograft products since 1995. The Salvin LifeNet Health family of bone grafting materials provide a full range of allograft configurations to fit your exact preference and need. Most popular are mineralized cortical with a dense architecture for slower resorption, ideal for socket grafting, periodontal defects, and preserving space for future restorative options. Mineralized cancellous with a porous architecture for rapid revascularization, indicated for socket grafting, sinus lifts, and guided bone regeneration procedures. We now offer a mix of mineralized cortical and mineralized cancellous for our customers who prefer a combination of both in one material. Salvin Dental also offers ilium strip allograft blocks to allow you to graft without an autograft harvest procedure. These blocks are very competitively priced and are available in 3 sizes: 1.5 by 2 centimeters, 1.5 by 3 centimeters, and 2.0 by 4 centimeters. Use the Salvin fixation screw kit to secure allograft blocks to the recipient site. We now offer decellularized dermis allograft for periodontal plastic surgery and tissue grafting. Ours is fully sterile and can be stored at room temperature. LifeNet Health is an accredited member of the American Association of Tissue Banks, and Salvin Dental has what you need in stock and ready to ship today. Please call us for technical help and complete specifications on any of these products. Salvin Regenerative, enhancing care for your patients.